Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to save the yarn of an old project to knit a new one. When you undo a knitted or a crochet piece, the yarn usually looks like this, all wavy and curly. And when you knit a new project with it, it's not going to look any better. Look, this is my new sweater. But with the help of a steamer for clothes, you can revive this new piece. Make sure there is no metal touching your project. I believe this is rubber, this part here, but either way you can use a steamer like this or just an iron with a steamer, but it's going to look great. Let me show you. So this is my new project. I'm really happy because I can use the sweater inside out or on the right side. But it looks great. I feel very comfortable. It looks better than it was before. So if you don't like a project that you are doing, you can just undo it and reuse the beautiful yarn, and you can fix it that way. Okay, so I really hope that this tip is going to be very useful, and please, if you like this, just give me a like and please subscribe. Until the next time, thank you.